welcome to a very special episode of Kitchen Rituals. My name is Jana. I'm a motion designer and video editor for Food Period. We make nutritionist-backed period improvement products to help you and your body be the happiest and healthiest that it can be. If you want to learn more about us, please go ahead and just check out our information in the description box below. Thank you. Today's video is the first installment in a very special fall feast series here at Kitchen Rituals, where we'll be bringing you, over the next couple of weeks, 3 different seedy fall treats that can be enjoyed at any course of a festive meal. All right, the recipe that I will be whipping up for us all today is, drumroll please, pumpkin hummus! Echo. Oh, also with oven-baked pita chips. While this recipe is perfect as an appetizer, as intended, it's also great as a fall snack. And I also promise that it'll fulfill all of your fall foodie desires while still being packed with really healthy ingredients. So the original recipe for this came from an amazing culinary wizard named Elena at As Easy as Apple Pie. However, I'll be putting a bit of a unique Food Period spin on it for today's video. Okay everyone, the time has come. Let's get into this recipe. So for this pumpkin hummus recipe, you will need phase 1 moon seeds, 1 can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed, some tasty pumpkin puree, tahini, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1.5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and lastly you'll throw together this really tasty spice mixture. To kick off this amazing hummus recipe, the first thing you're going to do is just toss your moon seeds into a food processor and then let them get all acquainted with one another for about 30 seconds or until they've become pretty much a powder. So while I can toss the ingredients into the processor with the rest of the ingredients later on in the process, I'm doing it separately because I really want to make sure that everything is thoroughly ground so that the nutrient absorption is way easier for my body. So the first thing you're going to do is that you're going to take a couple of rounds of pita bread and then very carefully and pristinely cut your pita bread into triangular pieces. Well, yeah, that's close enough. Yeah. So once the pieces are all cut, move the pieces onto a baking tray. And for these, you can really top them with whatever spices move you. However, I found, for me, that sticking to the basics with some salt, some dabs of olive oil, and a couple of shots of pepper brings this once little pita that could all the way to Flavortown. Once you are happy with your chips, you can place them in a 420 degrees Fahrenheit oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now, back to our hummus. Throw all your ingredients, including your moon seeds, into a food processor and then blend until smooth and creamy, and you can also scrape down the sides as needed. I really love this recipe because it's very easy to make, it comes together in less than 5 minutes, and the ingredients are very easy to find for it. And this is the point in the process where you can kind of taste it and kind of get used to it and see if you want to add anything else, like a ton of lemon juice. That's what we decided on. That's what we decided it needed. Or you can add salt or any other seasonings just to make it work for you. So now my timer's just gone off, so I'm going to take the pita chips out of the oven. So now that the hummus is properly mixed and all the extra ingredients have been added in, you can now plate it up. We finished the recipe! This recipe is awesome. It's so great with so many different types of things. It was awesome on the pita chips. We found some assorted vegetables in our fridge. It was awesome with those as well. It's a great pairing for a lot of different types of foods. Thank you so much for watching. If you give this hummus a try, snap a photo and then tag us on Instagram @foodperiod and then use the hashtag #MyKitchenSink. Come back tomorrow to watch the next installment of our Fall Feast Special. Has lots of veggies. Spoiler. Bye-bye.